Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn our second chapter, angles. So in previous standard we have seen the different types of angles, and now also we are going to learn basic things about the angles and different types of angles. There are main 7 types of angles. So first we will take two matchsticks and I will put them on each other. Now we can see that two sticks lie one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. And we can write it as 0 with degree. Now, second acute angle. When we move this stick like this, now we can see the change in position between these two sticks and this angle. There is a angle between these two sticks and this angle is called acute angle. Acute angle is greater than 0. Acute angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Now these two sticks we can call it as arms. These are the arms of angle. Remember this word. These two sticks are the arms of the angle and the point where these two meets is called point of vertex. ठीक है, तो आगे बढ़ेंगे हम अभी थर्ड एंगल की तरफ. थर्ड एंगल है राइट एंगल. So when we put these two sticks like this, there is a 90 degree angle between these two sticks. In next video we will see how to measure angle by using protractor. So now there is a 90 degree angle between these two sticks, so we can call it as right angle and we can write it as 90 degree. Now after this, when we move this orange stick in anti-clockwise direction, so now there is some angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree, and this angle is called obtuse angle. Yes, this is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This angle is called obtuse angle. Now further we will move the stick like this, and now this will form a straight line, and this straight line is called straight angle, and this is of 180 degree. So when there is a 180 degree, when there is measure of 180 degree of angle, this angle is called straight angle. After that we will move this orange stick in downward direction, in anti-clockwise direction, so we will get an angle more than 180 degree. So we can call this angle as reflex angle. So reflex angle is more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now last one, complete angle. When this orange stick complete one circle and again comes on the blue stick, then there is some angle between them. That angle is called 360 degree. 360 degree angle, which is called complete angle. We can see in this diagram, this is a acute angle. After that, this is a right angle. After that, this is a obtuse angle, and after that, this is a straight line angle. उसके बाद आ गया था रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, और रिफ्लेक्स एंगल के बाद ये ऐसा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में रोटेट हो रहा है, देखिए आप ध्यान से। और ये इसका एक सर्कल कंप्लीट हो गया, तो इसे हम कहते हैं कंप्लीट एंगल। ये तो हो गए डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल। वी हैव गिवन सम एंगल्स, नाउ वी हैव टू write their names, vertex of angle and arms of the angle. So we can see here is a diagram. This is an acute angle. So there are some names are given in this diagram. How should I write the name of this angle? Now first we can write it as PYR. PYR. We have to write a name of angle from its end points. From P or from R, Y should be in the center. So we can write it as PYR or as RYP. Remember, point of vertex should be in center of the name. Now same as here, angle L, M, N. These are the signs of angle. Angle L, M, N, or angle N, M, L. Now you can write same like this, the angle of this, name of this angle. Now we will move towards vertex of the angle. So I have told you where two arms meet each other is called vertex of the angle. So in this given angle, there is a point Y where two arms, these are the arms of this angle, where two arms meet at point Y. So vertex of the angle, that is Y. And in this diagram, vertex of the angle is point M. Same like this, you can write the vertex of this angle. Now arms of the angle, I have told you we have used two sticks, so that sticks was the arms of that angle. Now in this diagram you can see here is arm YR and arm PY. ये जो दोनों हैं ये है इस एंगल के आर्म्स, तो हम लिखेंगे आर पी वाई, अगेन आर वाई आर। अब वाई पी, पी आर, वाई आर वाई, ये ऐसा लिख सकते हैं। नाउ आर एम एल और आर एम एन। Like this you can write the names of arms of this figure. So we will move towards our practice set 2.